Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through the quick and easy way to set playing media notifications to alert on Chrome. If you've ever missed a notification when media is playing, or just want to make sure you don't overlook important alerts, this simple setup will help you fix that. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the main Settings app. This is where you'll find all of your general options and controls for every application installed on your device. Next, scroll down the list until you see the section labeled Apps, and tap on it. This will bring up a complete list of all the apps currently on your phone. From here, locate Chrome, and then tap to open its individual settings page. Once you're inside Chrome's settings, look for the option that says Notifications. Tap on it to move into Chrome's notification controls. This is where you can manage exactly how Chrome alerts you whenever something important happens. Inside the Notifications menu, you'll see different options organized under something called Notification Categories. Go ahead and tap on Notification Categories to reveal a detailed list of all the types of alerts Chrome can send you. Now, look for the category labeled Playing Media. This is the setting that controls how your phone handles notifications when music, videos, or other audio is playing in Chrome. Tap on it to open the available options. Finally, you'll see the choice where you can set this category to alert. Simply select Alert, and from now on, anytime Chrome is playing media, you'll receive a proper notification that stands out, rather than a silent or minimized one. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've made sure you'll never miss a playing media notification on Chrome again. This adjustment not only helps keep you in control, but also ensures you always stay updated when something is happening in the background. Thanks for watching.